Welcome back, everybody. The best in the world, Alexander Leviathan, is here with these beautiful titles to ensure you and let you know I am your Pokemon World Champion. And today, more of the same. 5 different sets: Fusion, Steam, Vivid, Astral, Brilliant. Yeah, I'll do it in this order. Opening more. Here we go. There's a beautiful card I need to pull inside the Steam Siege with 2 cards. I haven't really pulled anything great from Steam Siege. Fusion still has a bunch of alternate arts that I need out of it. Vivid, the chunky Pikachu. Astral Radiance. I need both the alternate art Charizard and the alternate art Arceus. And no, that's in Brilliant. And Astral, I pulled all the, I just need trainer gallery cards from Astro because I pulled most of the alternate arts out of here anyway. Well, I pulled the 2 good ones. I still need that Machop though. Still need that Machop, that's fine though. Let's break into Steam Siege. Let us get Pack Trash. Code card. Come on, Steam Siege. Wait, Steam Siege. There we go. I'm learning. Pokemon Ranger, Ambipom, Nidorino, Meowth. That's right. Chimchar, Nosepass, Litleo, Sneasel, Samurott for the reverse and for the finale. We're 7. This is your 7. Come on. Spiritomb, nothing. The Samurott is pretty cool though. Reverse Hollows definitely need more love. You heard it here first. Fusion is Pack Trash. Code card. As I said in my update video yesterday, my collection update video, please, Rock Lee Energy, give Full Arts more credit. They're slept on. Also, Hoopa slept on, and Hoopa, I pulled that from Fusion Strike. I need an alternate art Hoopa, I do. Just him flying in, him summoning legendary Pokemon out of the rings. Oh, that would be so crazy. I would risk it all for that card. Snom, Breloom for the reverse and for the finale. Steelix, Hollow. That's the hollow I'll probably pull. Yeah, that's the hollow I'll pull the most out of Fusion Strike. Vivid Voltage. Let's go. Pack Trash. Code card. Vivid, you are a tough mistress. I will give you that. Full Metal Energy. Ferrothorn. Go-Go. Let's go. Caroline. Banko. Clefairy, Tynamo, Milcery, Meowth, Galarian Style, Trubbish, the bag of garbage for the reverse, for the finale. Vivid, come on, don't do me dirty. Don't do me dirty, Vivid, come on. Ninjask. Vivid, come on. How dare you do that to your champion? I pulled this a couple of videos ago. I like this. Look at this. Look at that. It's a cutie. It's a cutie. Okay. Astral Radiance. Let's go. Pack Trash. Code card. Come on, Astro. Don't be a jerk. Garbage. Unidentified Fossil. Dartrix. Drifloon. Hoot. Thou. Ponard. Poochyena. Yanma. Drifloon. Yanma for the reverse and for the finale. Pack 4. Bravery. Nothing. Okay. Where is that? Did I chuck it? Opened 4 packs. I don't know what happened there. Okay. Brilliant stars to close out the video. Come on. Come on, Savin. Give me that luck. Code card. Here we go. Hidden Leaf, Energy, Cynthia's Ambition, Charon's Care, Pachirisu, Sock, Goldfish Gold, Gullet. There's another Gullet behind it. They're running it up. Chimchow, Chimchar, Infernate Reverse for the reverse. Infernate for the reverse. For the finale of my pack breaking endeavor. What is on the other side of this card? Lucario Hollow. Ah, pulled Lucario so many times. Come on. Well, I will end the video with a Steelix and Lucario. You can't pull something crazy every day. That's what makes it best. That's what makes it that good when you eventually do pull something good. I tried. I'm your phenomenal Pokemon World Champion and YouTube Shorts Champion. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you for viewing. Valor Super V. Stop bringing sand in here. It's very sandy everywhere. You were at the beach. That's awesome. I was here recording. Let's go.